This seagull was just minding its business when a beluga whale started nibbling at his feet. For some reason, the seagull didn't fly away and didn't seem to be bothered. This is a device that alerts your computer to go back to a certain screen when someone unexpectedly walks in on you. About 80 people put on a blue shirt and walked into a Best Buy store to look like an employee. The actual employees of the store were confused and weren't sure what to do.
Leave the store right now. The fact that you're in the same outfit as us, we would like to ask you to leave the store. Yeah, please. Just go up the escalator, please. Back here now.
I've got to leave because I'm wearing the same clothes you're wearing?
Yes, we'd like you to leave.
Eventually, the police were called in, but since they legally can't do anything, nobody was arrested.
You can ask these people to leave, but we're not going to arrest anybody for wearing a blue polo shirt.
Here's a weird fish that walks on the seafloor by using legs.
This is how I double my money. Might be illegal.
This is what it looks like to light a match at a microscopic level and in slow motion. That's it in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.